So, I mean, the first thing is that financial engineering stuff. Like I say, lots of people, things like how you recognize revenue, how you recognize costs. I mean, this was like a crazy epiphany for me when I was about 19 years old. And I had my telecoms company, and my finance director at the time, like glorified bookkeeper, but he was a fully qualified accountant. He said to me, okay, we finished the year. Do you want to show 200 grand loss, break even, or 200 grand profit? And I was like, hang on a second, it's fucking maths, isn't it? We had our sales, we had our costs, there's a number at the bottom. And then he taught me about accrual accounting, capitalization, income recognition, cost recognition. And my mind just went, what the fuck is this? And then I started thinking, well, I can see how Enron happens, you know?
Yeah,
they taught a fucking entrepreneur accounting. And basically, I was just mind blown that it wasn't maths. It wasn't as straightforward. And now what we can do is effectively, when we buy a business, we can then retrofit or retro engineer the accounts to show a completely different picture. And like I say, the accountant doesn't normally ask the entrepreneur how they would like it presented. They just automatically adopt the most tax efficient model. And the most tax efficient model is normally the lose 200 grand option out of those three. So we literally just flip it from the lose 200 to the make 200 grand option, and that massively improves the profit. There's a few little tricks we have with cash flow as well that we can play around with, because we move the business to a cash footing, so it operates on a cash. In business, everything measured improves. The thing you focus on tends to get better. So we focus on cash. So we drive all of the focus in the business to cash, because ultimately businesses don't go bust from a lack of profit, they go bust from a lack of cash. And good cash flowing businesses are more appealing for buyers. And then the next thing is you need to put it into the top 1% of businesses that are for sale. And that's normally done through creating a really good data room that people can access and find out more about the business. And that has a little bit of the how you do anything is how you do everything aspect to it, because if people see that data room is professional and well organized, they'll assume the whole business is professional and well organized.